anything can make you sick. Even the good can be a curse. Makes it hard to know which road to go down. Knowing too much can get you hurt. Is it better? Is it worse? Are we sitting in reverse? It's just like we're going backwards. I know where I want this to go. Driving fast, but let's go slow. What I don't wanna do is crash, no. Just know that you're not in this thing alone. There's always a place in me that you can call home. Whenever you feel like we're growing apart, let's just go back to the start. Oh. Anything that's worth having, sure enough worth fighting for. Quitting's out of the question. When it gets tough, gotta find some more. We gotta fight for this love. We gotta fight for this love. We gotta fight for this love. If it's worth having, it's worth fighting for. Now every day ain't gonna be no picnic. Love ain't no walk in the park.
Hello, baby, you called, I can't hear a thing. I have got no service in the club, you say. What did you say? Oh, you're breaking up on me. Sorry, I cannot hear you, I'm kinda busy. Kinda busy. Sorry, I cannot hear you, I'm kinda busy. Just a second, it's my favorite song they're gonna play. And I cannot text you with that drink in my hand. You should've made some plans with me, you knew that I was free. And now you won't stop calling me, I'm kinda busy. Stop calling, I don't wanna think anymore.
burning, my whole body's yearning. I'm laying here, losing control. Your vision surround me, my head's up and down me. I'm dreaming of blending our souls. I'm restless, I'm breathless, I'm horny. I confess, I need your chorus. It's too much to express, so take me, I'm waiting, anticipating. My body's shaking for you, you. I'm a nighttime. I'm letting it loose, take control. I'm dreaming of blending our souls. The blanket surrounds me. I'm lost in a fantasy. You taking over.
When she was a young girl, she used to play with